Hi guys, this is Vinny, and this is my channel Nails Lux by Vinny. And today we are going to do a white background kind of a nail with golden chrome. And so, firstly, I'm currently doing a white coating, a white layering, and I'll be doing it 2 to 3 times till it becomes kinda opaque. Yes, I'm doing the second layer and the third layer. Around like after doing that, I did my matte coating and then cured it for 60 seconds. And then I used a good round brush, which you can see it. And then by using the builder gel, I created some lines on that nail itself. And after that, I'll cure it for around 60 seconds again. And then I'll be creating some lines like those drop lines. And then I'll be again going over the top of those builder gel wala lines. Yes. And then cure it for again 60 seconds. Yes. And as you can see it here, it's looking somewhat like the embossed effect. And after that, I'll be creating the other lines as well. On the whole nail, I'll do it. You can try using this builder gel as well as clear builder gel, as well as you can use any kind of builder gels or top coat as well on this current step. Or you can also try using builder gel with some acrylic, adding up, like mixing up those two, and then forming a slurry kind of a thing, and then you can do it in the same way. And I'm currently using a liner brush, and here I'm currently getting a chrome thingy, and I'll be using my own hands to do the chrome. I'll like as good as I can, I'll be applying that chrome on it to see if it gets like coated very well. You can use a sponge on this step, as well as you can find other like tools as well, the silicone tips that we get. You can use that as well to create the same. I'll rub it well so that the whole chromy thing comes on the nail and it gets attached as good as possible. And then I'll be using a sponge to clean it off. Uh, Before doing the steps, do not use any kind of, do not rub anything with a acetone alcohol. It'll just rub the chrome off. So please don't do that. And then a sponge, I'll be using the sponge and like cleaning it off. And then I'll be applying this rhinestone gel or rhinestone glue, which you can say, to put those half pearls onto it. As you can see, I'll be selecting few pearls in it, and then I'll be like picking those up. So here I'm like just um finding the correct pearls to put on it so that I can like it looks aesthetically pleasing as well as looking good. So yeah, I'm choosing small pearls as well as I'll be using caviar beads as well after this. So here you need to put the glue very well so the pearl does not come off very easily. You need to put it very well, and after that, you need to top coat it. And if you still think that it may come off, then you can also try putting some good amount of builder gel on it around it as well, like how I've done it. You can put a good amount of builder gel and then cure it for 60 seconds or 90 seconds as per to your wish. Then you can go about your day. And I'm doing the same steps again using the rhinestone gel, the rhinestone glue, and then adding that just to creating a base so that the pearls stick to the nails, and then finding the correct size. Here also I'm choosing a big pearl and two small pearls beside it. Yes, as you can see. So this will look good. You can try white pearls as well, or you can also choose some other color pearls which are contrasting to gold, and you can choose like that. And caviar beads are also the same. You can find many caviar beads to complement the same look. You can do it with uh, other chrome colors as well. And I'm also curing this whole thing for around 60 seconds under the UV LED lamp that I have. So here is the final product. I'll be sealing all of this chrome as well as the pearls with the top coat. Try to put the chrome, specifically try like putting the chrome, enclosing the chrome with the top coat carefully as well as the pearls so that they do not lose the like the sheen that they have. And this will also help to like bring out the good shine of the chrome. And this step, I think so needs to do in a faster motion because sometimes what happens that the chrome dissipates and so that it becomes a blotchy mess sometimes, the chrome. But here, hopefully, it did not happen for me. So, yes, I cured it for 60 seconds here. Here it is the final look. Here's the nail. Great. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe it, like it, and share it, and comment it as well. Yes. Thank you.